Zidan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That's it. Hello Zidan, welcome to ABC company. My name is Nesia. And how are you today?
I'm doing well. And yourself?
Great, thanks. I hope we didn't keep you waiting for long.
No, I had the chance to talk with one of your engineers back then.
That's good. Shall we start?
Yeah, sure.
First of all, I am the manager of our engineering department here, and we have an open position. So we have been interviewing applicants to fill the position as quickly as possible.
Yes, sir. I read about the position in your website, and I think I'm a good fit.
So tell me about yourself.
Okay, let me tell about myself. My name is Zidan Alwayhaki. I graduated from Polytechnic Negeri Bandung with a degree in software engineering. I started at Polytechnic Negeri Bandung with a major in software engineering, and I think I was going to pursue, and I think I am going to pursue a career in software industries.
Okay. Can you tell me a little about your strengths and weaknesses?
My interpersonal skills are probably at the peak of my powers. I managed to approach people I didn't know and quickly build rapport. I can think independently and manage stress well. One of my weaknesses is that I am easily affected by my mood. And when I don't feel in the mood to do something, I find it difficult to get up and do something with my life. So the way I overcome this weakness is by forcing myself to go out and find an atmosphere that is not like the atmosphere at my house or something like in my room. So sometimes it helps me to be more productive.
Thank you. Now tell me about a time when you were asked to complete a task but didn't have the information you needed. What did you do?
When I started my internship at Ciptadra, I quickly realized that it was a small organization in Depok, which meant that I was left to my own devices. I had to figure things out on my own. So there was one instances in particular when I had to rely on myself to get the job done. The first thing I did was identifying where the problem is and carry out independent exploration of the problem. And I will also use the tools that can help me solve the problem I face. After that, I was able to face the problem.
Okay. And where do you want to be in 5 years?
Simply put, my ideal job at this stage in my career is I can learn the products and industry, and I can contribute to your success. So eventually, I'd like a job that gives me control over my day. But I know I am not in that position right now. But it will take some time to get there, and I will pursue it.
Okay. Tell me about a time when you failed.
When I fail, this is about when I'm being a fresh graduate. So when I was a fresh graduate, I had a great job at a startup. So unfortunately, I didn't take it seriously. I showed up late, not properly dressed, and probably showed some bad attitude. Workshop when I was invited back in the next year. It forced me to take a good hard look at myself and where I was where I was headed. I made the conscious decision to turn my grades and attitude around. So I soon discovered that it felt good to be good, and everything was on upswing from there. I was young, but I was able to turn myself around.
Okay. That was a lesson learned for you, Zidan. Why should I hire you over the next person?
Okay. You mentioned it both in the website and in here that the most important skills that you are looking for is the ability to develop a web-based software. I have experience in developing web-based applications in previous jobs. I am familiar with several technologies commonly used in web development, such as Laravel, React, Next, PHP, etc. Apart from that, I also have a great desire to learn about new technology.
Thank you, Zida, for answering my questions. It's nice to meet you. I can tell that you are a good candidate. Expect to hear from us within a week or so about the job.
Okay, it's nice to meet you. Thank you for the change for being here.
Thank you, Zida. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, come in. Hello, Lucia. Nice to meet you. Welcome to ABC Control.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Please sit down. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, and yourself?
Great, thanks. I hope we didn't keep you waiting for long.
No, I had the chance to talk to one of your engineers while waiting.
That's good. Okay, shall we start?
Yeah, sure.
First of all, let me introduce myself. I am the manager of our engineering department here, and we have an open position. So we have been interviewing applicants to fill the position as quickly as possible.
Yes, sir. I read about the position on your website, and I think I am a good fit.
Okay, next, tell me about the time when you were asked to complete a task but didn't have the information in your phone. What did you do?
I was in charge of the head of department in student executive in Polytechnic Baru. I am responsible for student rights. There are problems because sometimes campus management makes policy that there are determined. Sorry.
What do you want to be in 5 years?
Simply put, my ideal job at this stage in my career is one in which I can learn the product and industry and I can contribute to your success. Eventually, I'd like a job that gives me control over my day, but I know I am not in that position right now and it will take some time to get there.
Okay, now tell me about the time when you freelanced.
When I was a fresh graduate, I had a great job in a startup. Unfortunately, I didn't take it seriously. I showed up late, not properly dressed, and probably show some attitude. What a shock when I wasn't hired back the next year. It forced me to take a good, hard look at myself and where I was headed. I made the conscious decision to turn my grades and attitude around. I soon discovered that it felt good to do good and everything was on the upswing from there. I was young but was able to turn myself around.
Why should I hire you over the next person?
You mentioned that the most important skill you are looking for is the ability to develop web-based software. I have experience in developing web-based application in previous jobs. I am familiar with several technologies commonly used in web development such as Laravel, React, Next, PHP. Apart from that, I also have a great desire to learn about new technology because it is a space for growth for me.
Okay, Desia, it's nice to meet you. I can tell you that you are a good candidate. Expect to hear from us within a week or so about the job.
Nice to meet you and thank you for your time.
Thank you for coming.
Yang di sama PBBK itu emang dari